So hello guys, I am here to ask some question to our teacher. Today I am so happy to ask our question.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining me in your podcast.
Okay.
So guys, this is me Rudra Dharwa, the trainer of this Fluent Odisha. So today I'm going to answer to her questions.
Okay.
I have already told you I'm really curious to answer, even if that is wrong. But then also I love enjoying answer. So let's see what kind of questions she is going to ask me and how I'm gonna answer. Yeah, please
Are
go
you
ahead.
comfortable here?
Totally comfortable. If you give me any place to speak in English,
Okay.
I'm comfortable. Now people are not around us. Okay, I am comfortable here, confident. If you take me to any media persons, I'm
Okay.
comfortable there. Anywhere I'm comfortable.
Really
I don't.
or yours only?
God promise. Okay, God promise. Swear to God. I'm
Okay.
confident and I'm not nervous.
Okay. Can you speak about boys? Boys problem.
Boys problems means what? Boys have their own ego. Okay, just
Okay.
honestly, I'm telling you.
Okay.
They don't follow anybody. They are different types of boys.
Yeah.
So we cannot assess the knowledge and habit of every boy. So if they are positive boys, then of course they can do positive things for something. But what I will tell, what I will talk about boys, everyone is different. If you ask me about any individual person, then there may be a possibility to assess and to talk. Okay, but here you are asking me about all the boys. So what? The boys are really hardworking, diligent boys.
Okay.
Yeah, literally.
Okay. Are you showing up?
Not showing up. Okay, I'm just not showing up. You have also seen, if they face any difficulties, then they go outside of the state and they work there and maintain their family. So
Yeah.
here obviously, because of their
Girls also do this.
yeah, girls are also doing it. I salute to those girls
Okay.
to maintain their family. They go outside and work. So I wish only one thing, that if girls are going outside, then they have to live safely and they have to focus on their work only, for
Yes.
which purpose they have gone there, and they don't have to do anything which will hurt their family. So that's the thing.
Okay. How can we improve our English? By speaking or by watching anything?
So are you taking it as a subject or language?
I always take it
As a language.
as a language. Yeah.
What is your language?
Huh?
What is your language?
My language is Odia.
Odia or Sambalpuri?
Sambalpuri.
Sambalpuri, because
Yeah.
Odia is our state language.
Yeah.
We belong to Odisha. Odia is our state, and this Sambalpuri is our native language.
Yes.
So people say means what? Whoever are able to speak English, they say that the way we improved our mother tongue, similarly we can also improve this English. But I don't agree with them.
Yes.
Why I don't agree? See, how we improved our mother tongue? By listening to others. All the time people were speaking the Sambalpuri language or native language around us. So by listening to them, by observing them, we learned. Okay, and we tried to copy them. But when it comes to this English, can you really improve like our native language? Not at all. I don't think.
Yeah.
You also just think, who is speaking English around us? Nobody. So how it is chance that, and how it is possible that by listening to others we can enhance like our native language? So that is why I don't agree here.
Okay.
So if you ask me what should we do to enhance it, so I think, so this is a language, so we have to speak. A language can be spoken by speaking, not by only listening. So if we are beginner, then first of all we have to have a habit of listening. Okay. And we must have patience. It's a language, it takes time. If someone is saying that the way you learn like your native language you can learn, then to learn that native language also it took us around 1 year. All right. So similarly, we have to keep patience and practice. Start from the basics, start from the very zero. Okay. Then you may face many hindrance and obstacle in your way, then also you have to avoid and you have to tolerate that. If you work hard, if you keep practicing on the daily basis by watching videos, remembering something, and engaging in conversation, listening to podcast and English related videos, then nothing and nobody can stop you to learn this language.
Okay.
That's the thing. And if today if you practice for only couple of days and couple of months and think, am I really improving or not, then obviously you can find your improvement after a few months. No, few improvement you can see, but that will not give you courage and that good positivity. That will demotivate you. If you start searching, start finding your improvement, then your searching your improvement will demotivate you, because within 3 months, how long can you say, how better can you speak? Obviously you cannot speak better. So you have to wait and you have to have patience and keep practicing. So that's the thing.
How this English language help us?
Okay, that's a nice question, but tricky as well. Nowadays, English is helping us in many ways, not only in our educational sector or in our educational field, but also helping in working field as well.
Working?
Obviously,
How?
if you are going to work
Okay.
a company,
Okay.
then you have to communicate with different people. Okay, if you are working inside your village or at your home, then you don't need English.
Yes,
But
yes.
to earn a good amount of money, you are going out of the state and joining in a good company. So that time you have to communicate with the different people. And how you can communicate? There you cannot find only your native people. Rather, you will find different languages people, and to communicate with them, obviously you cannot use your native, either our national language Hindi or international language English you can use. So that's where if you know English, you can communicate well, and if you have that communication skill, then there are 100% chance to get a better position with good salary. So that's the thing. And when it comes to our youth, if we know English, then definitely it opens up many opportunities for our future. We don't create, this English creates opportunity for us, and this English settles us in that job. So that's what just I think. So it is really a helpful language rather than other languages. So we must learn it to do something in our life. If our mind is blank, suppose for the timing, we are not capable to do anything. So that time I think if we learn this English language, then there is something that we can do. Like me, I was nothing. If I remove, I have already told you, if I remove this English from my life, then I'm nothing. But
Yes,
if I include, then now you can say a YouTuber, a content creator, a trainer, a teacher, you can say. So that's the thing, just because of this English.
Okay. What do you think about trees?
Our trees.
Yeah.
Our trees are our life. Trees are the
But-
part of our life.
Yes, but there are so many people who are cutting trees and means they are wasting trees.
Yeah, obviously, see, if they are harvesting the trees, then they are cutting their life days. If we are going to live for more 1 to 2 days, then if they cut 1 day, that means they are cutting 1 day of their living in their life. So that's the thing. Means if we want to live, means if we are going to live for 100 days, then if they cut 1 tree, that means we are going to live 99 days. So that's the thing we are doing, and obviously we are not going to alive for a long days the way it is happening in this world. No, I don't think.
Yes. Okay. What's your favorite fruit?
Fruit.
Yeah. Coconut, guava. What?
Exactly, I don't know what's my favorite fruit is. Okay, but if you ask me my favorite dishes, then obviously I would tell you water rice.
Why?
Why means what? I belong to a farmer, so this is my favorite one. Without eating water rice, I don't go for working. And once I eat, it gives me energy, it strengthens me, and I work. So that is,
also. Warm rice also gave us energy.
no, obviously.
Yeah.
But in the morning, we don't eat warm rice. Okay, people are eating, they are also getting energy. But we are habitual to eat water rice before working on after working. That's the reason.
Okay.
But yeah, we also eat warm rice, but later, like after 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, something.
Okay. That's all.
Okay, so guys, I hope you got something from my speaking. I hope so. So thank you so much for watching. Just show your love by subscribing to this channel and leaving comments about this video. Thank you.